right, welcome back, Husky Pups. We're going to be doing lesson 12.5 today. We're going to be working with solid figures. You probably remember solid figures as 3D shapes or 3D figures. Let's review our 2D shapes or our 2D figures. This is a what? Circle. Very good. What is this called? That's right, triangle. This is a rectangle, and this is a square. Now, for 3D shapes, they look a little bit different because you can see them. See how they pop up? See how they're flat down? The 2D shapes. But with the 3D shapes, you can see the front, the back, the sides. You can see all around it. And if you remember, this 3D shape is called a cube. That's exactly right. Cube has 6 faces or 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to put that right there. We also have been talking about this 3D shape. This looks like a ball. It looks kind of like a ping pong ball or a tennis ball or any kind of round ball that you might have at home. But in kindergarten, we're going to call this a sphere. Say that with me. Sphere. And here we have something that's round, and it has a circle at the top and it has a circle at the bottom. This is called a cylinder. Say that with me. Cylinder. And last but not least, this is the easiest one of all, and I know you already know this. Think about it like this. What would go on top of this? I bet you said an ice cream cone, and you're right. This is called a cone. Say it with me. Cone. Cones are pointed at the top, and they have a circle base. Let's review these shapes together. Say them with me. Cube, sphere, cylinder, and cone. I want you to practice this at home with your moms and dads, and I want you to find something at your house that might be cube shape, or something that is a sphere shape, or something that has a cylinder shape, and something that might be cone shaped. Now let's move on to lesson 12.5, solid figures, and another word for solid figures are 3D figures or 3D shapes. Let's look at our directions. Here's Jackson, and the story is going to be about him. Jackson wants to find objects that have the same shape as the solid figures. How can he find objects that have the same shape? Draw objects below each solid figure that have the same shape. Now I know when you color and you draw, that's going to be 2D, but just try to do the best you can. And I'm going to try to do the best I can too. Let's see. I'm going to see if I can draw an ice cream cone. Or we could draw a birthday hat. That's a cone shape too. All right, now for the cylinder, try drawing an oval and a line down, and then a line down here at the bottom, a curved line down at the bottom. This could be a can of soup, or will be something else that you could draw. I use this a lot. This could be a can of dog food. I open up cylinders all the time when I have to feed my doggies. Let's see about this sphere. Now, a sphere is like a ball, and that's going to be round. That could be like a baseball. Or it could be a basketball. And last but not least, a cube could be a gift, or a block. There are lots of things that you could find at home at your house that have these shapes. Let's review them one more time. Cone, cylinder, sphere, cube. And remember, these shapes are 3D shapes, and we call them solid figures or 3D shapes. Good job, boys and girls. Okay. Welcome back, Husky Pups. Let's review these shapes that we talked about in the previous lesson. Here we are. Say it with me. Cube, sphere, cylinder, and cone. One more time. Cube, sphere, cylinder, and cone. We're going to be working now on page 710. We're going to skip this and we're going to go right to the guided practice. Number 1. Have students name the solid figure on the left, then draw a circle around the solid figure on the right that is the same shape. Okay, here we are. Here is a sphere. Which one is the sphere? This one, or this one? If you said the blue one, you are correct. So draw a circle around that. Okay, for number 2, this is a cube. Which one is the cube? This one, or this one? What do you think? If you said the blue one, you are absolutely correct. Those are both cubes. Now, for the rest of these, I'm going to let you work by yourselves with your special someone. Remember, draw a circle around the one that looks just like the one on the left. And I'm going to draw a line under the one on the left that you're going to be looking for. We'll come back in just a second to check your answers. Work hard. Okay, Husky Pups, let's check our answers. For number 3, this is a cylinder, right, and the yellow one is circled. That is a cylinder. For number 4, here is a what? Cone. Very good. So let's find the one that is a cone. It is the red one. You should have circled the red one. Number 5. Here's a cube. Now this is a little bit different because these are things that you might really have at your house. The box of Kleenex, the drum, or the soccer ball. If you said the box of Kleenex, you're absolutely right. That is the shape of a cube. For number 6, here's a cone. This one is a beach ball. And here is a megaphone, I think it is. And here is a ball, and so this one is the cone. You should have circled the blue cone. Number 7, here is a cylinder. Now which one of these looks like a cylinder? A globe, a present, or a candle? If you said the candle, you are correct. And for number 8, here is a sphere, and it is in the shape of a ball. Which one is sphere shaped? The baseball, the cone, or a flashlight? If you said the baseball, you are correct. Give yourselves a high five, boys and girls. Great job. For number 9, number 10, and number 11, boys and girls, you're going to do the same thing you did on the previous page. When you get to number 12, I want you to stop, and these are your directions for number 12. If you forget, your special someone can read them to you. For number 12, higher order thinking, so that means you need to listen, pay attention, and work hard. Have the students, that's you, name the solid figure right here, or the 3D figure, 3D shape, on the left, and then draw 2 more things or objects that look like this shape. So you're going to draw 2 more things that are shaped like a sphere. Work hard. We'll come back and check our answers. Okay, Husky Pups, welcome back. Let's see how you did. For number 9, this is shape of a what? Cylinder, that's exactly right. So which one is the shape of a cylinder? If you said the yellow one, you are correct. Number 10, which is the shape of a cube? This is a block. The block is the shape of a cube. What color object is the shape of a cube? If you said the yellow one, you are correct again. Now this one has two, be very careful. For number 11, this is a cylinder. These are things that you would find at your house. This is a paper towel roll, shaped like a cylinder. And here is a flashlight, also shaped like a cylinder. Boys and girls, for number 12, you were supposed to draw a picture of something that is shaped like a sphere. A sun is shaped like a sphere, and a balloon is also shaped like a sphere. What are some of the other answers that you had and some pictures that you drew? Good job, boys and girls. Work hard, listen to your moms and dads, and don't forget to do your math homework. Review these shapes. What is this? Cube. What is this? Sphere. What is this? Cylinder. And the last one is a cone. And they are 3D shapes or solid figures. Bye for now. Bye-bye.